Wake up. You're not dreaming. The world hasn't grown. You shrunk. You are now exactly 2 inches tall, the size of an AA battery. Your house cat is now a furry T-Rex. A chaotic gust of wind could end your life. Welcome to your new reality. At 2 inches tall, the laws of physics you once knew are gone. Gravity feels different, but the real killer. At your normal size, you break surface tension easily. At 2 inches, a single raindrop isn't just wet, it's a potential prison. Getting caught in a light shower would feel like being bombarded by water balloons the size of cars. Drowning in a puddle is a very real, everyday threat. Forget lions and bears. Your new nightmares live in your backyard. Insects are no longer nuisances. They are armored tanks. A common garden spider is now an 8-legged horror movie monster that sees you as a light snack. But it's not all bad. Imagine taming a bumblebee for travel. It would be like riding a fuzzy, vibrating attack helicopter. A praying mantis. That's your new war elephant. Your front lawn is no longer grass. It's an impassable, dense jungle. Blades of grass are towering green monoliths, towering over your head. Traveling from your front door to the mailbox would be a multi-day expedition, fraught with danger. You'd need machetes to hack through moss and supplies to survive the journey across the vast concrete desert of your driveway. So, how do we survive? Our cities would crumble, useless to us. We would rebuild in the hidden corners of the world. Our resources change. A single discarded soda can is now a prefabricated, watertight mansion for a family of 4. A lost paperclip is a lifetime supply of high-quality steel for tools and weapons. We become scavengers, masters of repurposing the giant's trash. Being 2 inches tall wouldn't just change how we live. It would change how we think. We would no longer be the masters of this planet. We would be guests, fighting for survival in a world far bigger, wilder, and more terrifying than we ever imagined. It's a humbling thought. What's the first thing you would do if you woke up 2 inches tall? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the impossible.